didn't put no signal on.
It's okay, you go when you're ready, no big deal, no problem. If you don't think it's safe, you don't go.
So can you give me instructions again?
Yeah, of course, yeah. We're going to approach the roundabout.
Yeah.
At the roundabout, we're turning right.
Yeah.
When you turn right,
Lane 2.
come off in lane 2. You need to go up in gears. Have you noticed I keep saying this to you? I'll explain later on
I
why.
just forget.
So start your routine like you normally would do. Try and avoid stopping at the roundabout if you can. If it's safe, continue, okay? Go into a lower gear while you're turning. Go into a lower gear, Mary. Keep moving. You don't need to stop.
Yeah.
Now look at the van. Straighten up. Now go on to your roundabout and push the car harder. Push the car. We know it's coming. He'll get out of your way.
Yeah.
Now gear 2. Now follow the roundabout round. Pick up some speed, Maria.
Yeah.
Because you're going too slow.
This next exit.
We're going to come off in lane 2 of exit 3. Signal left. Come off in lane 2.
Middle.
Go faster. Cancel your signal. Gear 3. The only thing causing your problem right now is your speed.
Yeah.
Okay? We need to keep it reasonable. Now when it's safe, make a lane change. Gear 4. Cancel your signal. We're now following the signs for Leeds. So keep right, we're going to go up Leeds Road. Do you know when you approach a green light and you see an ambulance as well?
Yeah.
Slow the car down, look in your rear view mirror. Now come off your brake, let him do whatever he's doing. That's fine. We're now following the signs for Leeds. You need to stay in the centre of your lane, okay?
Is it alright if I block this car?
It's fine, you're doing nothing wrong.
Oh, they can't go. So.
Changing gears far too early. You're changing at 8 miles an hour. The car doesn't pick up momentum,
Yeah.
and you're already changing gears. Now that sounds like a fire engine, but you continue if it's safe. So that noise is
What's going on?
unique.
There's so many.
Doesn't matter what's going on. It's not our problem at the moment. We can hear a fire engine,
Yeah.
but we're also approaching another fire station there, okay? Now, because the ambulance went up this road, possibly the fire engine is coming in the same direction. Is he coming in the same direction?
Opposite direction.
Okay.
He's gone straight.
Okay, follow the road ahead. Do you know these little lollipops? What are these for?
Which lollipops?
These little lollipops. What are they here for? These.
Oh, this fire
Yeah.
station.
What is it? What are they called?
The lights out there. Oh, what do we call?
So how does it work? Is it for a train?
No, they're for the fire trucks.
Okay, so how does it work?
I don't know. Maybe when the fire trucks coming out for that.
So what colour will they go? Green, yellow, purple?
I think they would. I don't know.
Okay,
No.
can you let me know in your next lesson, or can you text me what they are and how they work, and write me a little sentence, not on AI,
Yeah.
of how you would deal with it.
Okay.
Don't use AI. I know when you use AI. I've been using it all week, so I know when somebody's using AI. Okay.
It says on your videos as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it has to
It
by law. It
helps
has
a
to.
lot,
Yeah. So it's important that you tell me what that means. Okay. So I need to know how that'll affect you on your driving test coming up Leeds Road.
You're going straight.
Yeah. We're going to go ahead. We're then going to turn right where the white van's turned right.
Oh, this one.
So it's the next road. It's the second road on the right. Yeah. I don't know the name. Sorry.